The Sociology program at Nipissing University will challenge you to learn about, reflect on, and evaluate society. From consumer culture to the fear of aging, you will be diving into a diverse collection of courses. The wide range of learning opportunities are guaranteed to offer topics that you will find interesting and will want to continue exploring throughout your undergraduate degree. The small Nipissing community provides a space for undergraduate students to participate in data collection, survey research, and quantitative research even before they graduate. In your first and second years, you'll be taking classes about theory and research analysis. Throughout your degree, starting in your first year, you'll have space in your schedule for electives. Take advantage of this by exploring ideas in programs you're unfamiliar with. The Sociology program will give you the chance to graduate with some certificates. In particular, you may be interested in the Health Studies and Gerontology certificate, which focuses on aging and how society treats people differently as they grow older. If you want to learn more about our certificates, visit our website. Another way you can get involved is through the Experiential Learning Program, which I'll call the ELP. Students who participate in the ELP, from class field trips to volunteering with local businesses, will get to know the North Bay community better and make great connections in the field. The admission requirements for a Bachelor of Arts in Sociology at Nipissing University are a 70% admission average and 4U English. If you're interested in taking a concurrent Bachelor of Education degree, which is 6 years and ends with you graduating with 2 degrees and teaching qualifications, the admission requirements are 75% admission average, a minimum 70% in 4U English, and a minimum 60% in grade 11 or grade 12 university level math.